I'm thinking about a bigger hairstyle. What do you think? Let's see what you can do. It needs to be a little bigger than that. Can you bring it up a little bit? Just bring it up a little bit. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Oh, there's a little bit more. Just make it nice and big. Be that 80s hairstyle. Let's go. It's back in. Yeah. I don't know. Yes. It's just right on that side is working out for me. It's not the spot for you. Right there is. I'm gonna have to go back. Just over like that. There we go. Yeah. Yes, very nice. Very nice. A little bit more. Just a little bit more. I need evenness on both sides. You're such a hard worker. No. Maybe. Oh, that's just wonderful. Yes. Yeah. I suppose that'll do. I suppose that'll do. No. I like it in the front. I like it in the front of the face. It's very nice. Yes. Very chic. Okay. I'm done. Let's go. I'm ready to go out tonight. Last touches, huh? Final touches? Oh. Oh. Lovely. Lovely. Oh. Very nice. Very nice. Ah. Oh. My goodness. Just a master little stylist, aren't you? Ah, yes. That's perfect.